My name is Mehmet Solmaz. I'm the president of Solmaz Food, and together with my family members and the dedicated team members, I oversee and operate Solmaz Food. And we do processed meat products, and we serve to whole in Canada. We have about 75 to 80 products, and that's more selling in the retail and the wholesale business. And our retail store is located in front of our manufacturing place, where we can present our products with the clients directly. We cover east to west, all in Canada, in national chain stores, all in ethnic, independently owned stores, in the ethnic stores, specifically Middle Eastern to South Asian to Mediterranean stores. And recently we started to export to USA as well. Here we are in our test lab, also known our retail store, located at 16 Jutland in Etobicoke. This is where we test all our finished products, all our new products. So we have a great chance to observe more from our customers with their thoughts about our products. We only process halal certified meat products. Halal refers to a product that comply with the Islamic dietary law, ensuring they are permissible and pure according to these standards. What makes our products special to our commitment to high quality ingredients and authentic flavor, and products processed that strictly adhere to halal guidelines. We produce annually 850 tons, so that's equal to 1.85 million pounds. Food safety is the paramount for both our customers and us. It's a fundamental part of our operation and non-negotiable priority for us. We partner with Fortness Technology for their innovative and reliable solutions and shared commitment to food safety. We work with them for over 7 years, and their experience has been an instrument in maintaining our food safety standards. What they really bring it important to us is the service and support on our technical required things in our processing. We purchased 2 stealth conveyor belt metal detectors, and in the past we had a few other equipments that we purchased from them, inline metal detectors, and also one more conveyor belt metal detector. So the idea is where we can, how we can control the food safety, starting from the raw processing part all the way to cooking and the packaging. So we assigned this inline metal detector that we can control the products during the raw processing part, and then we can have the other units where we can control the products during the slicing and the packaging.
I've been working with Solmaz Foods for about 7 years now. First metal detector they purchased was a conveyor system, a stealth metal detector on a Fortress vector conveyor. You know, I love their products and I love their commitment to food safety and improving their quality, and they also realize the efficiencies that they can reap from improving the quality of the food, added metal detection upstream where you can remove metal more efficiently.
Here we are in front of our inline metal detector, which is very important and critical point for us. That saves us a lot of waste of products, labor, and efficiency on the production. So the products that goes through the inline detector, if any unwanted particulars detected, that keeps out from the product, that saves us a lot of time and labor and the product wastage.
Fortunately, we're all about innovations and how we can improve our product. We have some relatively newer innovations. One is the meat pump pipeline metal detector. It features a seamless sanitary pipe, easy disassembly, and most of all, another product that lives inside that machine, which is our Halo auto test system. It's able to replicate the performance verifications. That's a must when you have metal detection systems. It does it all on the fly. It automates all the record keeping, allows testing at a higher frequency without the labor costs associated. Fortress meat pump metal detector is made to be a turnkey solution to roll up to any vacuum filler, connect easily. It features full adjustment for the feet to cope with slope floors in meat production facilities. Also features an electric lift to protect operators and those setting up the equipment. Meat is then pumped from the vacuum filler through the system. Any contamination will then trigger the ball valve to divert rejected product downwards. The system is designed to be very easy to disassemble for deep cleaning. The white pipe is constructed out of a solid block of Delrin, which means that it's seamless and has no crevices within it that may harbor bacteria. Standard feature on the meat pump pipeline metal detector is a Halo auto test system. These pipeline systems can be notoriously difficult to test in line. Proper testing is generally messy and time consuming, so the Halo is a great addition to this system to verify performance and ensure that the food produced is safe. Essentially, when a metal detector is detecting metal, it's sensing disturbances caused in an electromagnetic field. So what we're doing with Halo is we're able to exactly replicate those exact disturbances caused by different metal types, sizes, and speeds going through the system.
The other metal detectors is at the end, so products are processed and goes into the cooking, and after that it goes into the final process, which is either a slicing or directly packaging. Here we are in our packaging room where we pack our products in the various Optimus packaging machine. As you can see here, this is our portioning stage where we portion the sliced pepperonis and put it into the vacuum sealed pouches that goes into the line. And from here it travels all the way to the gas flashing and packing and date coding. And after the labeling, it goes through the metal detector, and if any small particles detected inside the pack, this green bulb turns to red and the process stops. That gives us the notice that we have an issue, so we stop and we take those products out of the line and put it back into the food safety to inspect. So this is the end of the line of the processing, and this is where we do the final checks of food safety to make sure that all our products in pack are in good standards.
One of the first systems that we supplied for Solmaz Foods. It's a stealth metal detector. It features IP69 construction, so it'll stand up to any high pressure, high temperature washdown. Like all Fortress metal detectors, it features ease of use, outstanding reliability, and excellent performance. Being a stealth metal detector, also stores all the performance data on board and can be extracted by USB. It will log every event on the metal detector, so for any food safety event, recall, what have you, there's a complete audit trail on the metal detector that can aid in an investigation to find out exactly what might have happened, who's responsible, and prevent it from ever happening again.
Anything can happen, any part of the processing, from starting point, receiving to processing to cooking to packaging, and in every steps you have to have these controls. Our inline detector eliminates a lot of waste because the moment the system detects any material in the meat, it automatically discharges that part of the batch, and we can still process the rest of it. So this gives us two control systems in place, where before we only had one on the packaging line. So with Fortress system, we reduce the product's waste by 50% and lower the labor and energy costs, improving the overall efficiency. Our customers are really impressive when they come and check our facility and see the Fortress metal detector systems are in place in all steps of the processing. I can't tell you how much peace of mind that gives us.
We love to work with the smaller companies, the entrepreneurial people, because we're able to work together and get feedback from them to improve things for everyone. We appreciate working with Solmaz. They're great to deal with. You know, food safety is very important to them, so they do the right thing and we help them do that.
Our projection for this coming year to reach to 1.5 million ton. Every year we are projecting another 20%. The more we started to produce, the more controls that we have to put in place. We definitely like to work with the partners that we can trust, such as Fortress Technology.